Money controls almost every decision you make, but not in the way you think. It's not a number. It's not math. It's psychological manipulation. And the wealthy have mastered it. Today, you're going to learn exactly how they think and how to break out of the mental trap that keeps most people broke for life. Fear makes people freeze. Greed makes people reckless. Dopamine makes people buy dumb things when they're bored. And this isn't an accident. The entire financial world is engineered around your emotional weaknesses. Marketing, investing, crypto hype, Black Friday, subscription traps, they all exploit your emotional brain while the wealthy stay logical. Your childhood installed your entire financial operating system. If you heard, "We can't afford that. That's too expensive. Money is stressful," your brain built beliefs of scarcity. So as an adult, you don't make financial decisions. Your programming does. That's why two people with the same income make completely different choices. It's not money. It's mental wiring. Debt used to be avoided. Now it's a lifestyle. A normalized prison, credit cards, loans, interest, subscriptions. They're psychological weapons designed to keep you obedient. The rich borrow money to build assets. The poor borrow money to survive. Same tool, different psychology. Epic stylized money. Symbolism around a low-poly face. Middle class, I need to save money. Rich, how do I multiply money? Middle class plays safe. Rich plays strategic. Middle class trades time for money. Rich trades money for more time. One mindset leads to survival. The other leads to freedom. People think they're broke because of income, but the real reason is fear. Fear of investing. Fear of losing. Fear of starting. Fear of failing. Fear of looking stupid. Fear is the most expensive emotion in the world. It costs people their dreams, their businesses, and decades of potential wealth. Wealth begins in the brain, not the bank account. Here's the real formula. Control your emotions. Rewrite your programming. Invest with logic, not fear. Delay gratification. Let money work harder than you do. When your psychology changes, your financial reality has no choice but to change with it. Money doesn't make you powerful. Understanding money does. Master the psychology of money. And you stop living in the system and start controlling it. If you want part 2, The Dark Side of Money, hit subscribe because it gets much deeper from here.